I'm Ahmed and I host the See Something, Say Something podcast at BuzzFeed News. I'm here with my sister Zainab.
Hi.
And we're going to be making our mom's Eid lamb biryani. Islam is an Abrahamic religion, and Eid al Adha celebrates Abraham's sacrifice of the lamb and his son. And so during that holiday, Muslims basically take the meat of a butchered animal and donate it to charity and share food with family, friends, and your neighbors.
So biryani to me feels like turkey on Thanksgiving. At our house on Thanksgiving, we'd always have a turkey, but also a biryani. And like you were saying, every family has their own recipe. There are people who have like their special tricks and they swear like their version is like the best version. And like definitely people won't ever tell you their full recipe, or like they'll leave out their secret ingredient that makes it their special biryani. But it comes out on special occasions like a turkey.
So when I celebrate Eid, I usually send some money to like a farm to donate some meat to a family in need. It can take different forms. Some people do a cow, some people do a goat, some people do a lamb. But the ultimate thing is to share meat with people who need it and the people who are close to it.
The tradition has become to slaughter an animal and to give the meat to friends and family and to charity. But the real kernel of truth or importance to that tradition is to feed those in need. So usually every year I donate to a place like City Harvest or something so that hungry New Yorkers can eat. Eid al Adha not only celebrates that Abrahamic story, but also celebrates the end of Hajj. It's on the 10th day of Dhul Hijjah, which is a month in the Islamic calendar. And the people who are doing the pilgrimage, it's the last day of the pilgrimage, and it's the day they celebrate having completed the pilgrimage.
It's a very happy holiday. People come together, share food, celebrate it all around the world. In Pakistani communities, in America, and back home, you're going to be seeing people eat a lot of biryani and lamb and goat. So when we celebrate Eid, we wake up and go to the mosque in the morning, meet our community, people from all around the world, and then we go to parties usually where people are usually serving meat to a bunch of guests. When we host a party, we usually serve like 3 to 5 different types of meat that are like really complicated and complex and delicious, and biryani is usually the center of that. There's like as many biryanis as there are people in India and Pakistan and Bangladesh and the subcontinent. And there's so many ways to make it. Our mother passed away about a decade ago almost now. She was a very good cook, and we have some of her recipes in our head, but biryani was something that was so special and rare that I don't think I at least knew it. So I was really excited when I found it in this recipe book that her and a bunch of other Pakistani doctors had put together. Actually, the recipe we're making is not exactly like the one that I remember because she never shared her secrets.
She never told anyone a full recipe, ever.
Biryani is definitely something that I associate as a party food. When guests are visiting our house, that's when my mom would make it.
Yeah, it's a way to celebrate. You put so much energy and time into all the different steps and the layers of flavor. And that's like another way of showing your family and your friends how much you love them and care about them. Oh my God.
So good. Oh yes!